So today we will discuss about the extraction process used for the extraction of phytoconstituent. So the phytochemistry, it is one of the early subdivision of organic chemistry that has been great importance in the identification of plant substance of medicinal importance. So phytochemicals are naturally present in the plants and show biological significance by playing an essential role in the plants to defend themselves against various pathogenic microbes, and these are also rich source of novel drugs that forms the diesels in traditional systems that deals in the traditional system of medicines or modern medicine and food supplements, also in the nutraceuticals. So extraction is a process in which the physical suppression of soluble phytoconstituent takes place, and also it is also defined as the commonly employed technique for the suppression of active substance from the crude drug. So here next, isolation of active constituent from fresh plant material. So firstly we homogenized with the plant material homogenized with the methanol water, that is ratio of moles to 1 for 5 minutes and filtered out. After filtering, the mark and the filter mark, that is the solid residue of the extracted product, mark and the filtrate will collect separate. Further the mark is extracted. So the mark is extracted several times with ethyl acetate and then filtered out. So the two things were obtained. First is residue and second is filtrate. So the residue contain polysaccharide and filtrate on evaporation and neutralization of extract contain lipids, fats and waxes. Another one, when the filtrate if upon concentrated up to 1/8 volume under vacuum, after that acidified and extracted with chloroform. So we will get two layer. First is chloroform extract and second is acid layer. So the first chloroform extract contain moderately polar compounds like terpenoids, glycosides, phenolic compounds, and the acid layer further basified to maintain the pH 10 with ammonium hydroxide solution, and further extracted with the chloroform and methanol with the ratio of 3:1. So again two layer obtained. First is chloroform methanol extract, second is aqueous basic layer. So the chloroform methanol extract contain alkaloids and aqueous basic layer contain evaporated and extracted again with methanol and contain quaternary alkaloids. So this is a brief description of isolation of active constituent from the plant material. Next, modern method of extraction. First is pressurized liquid extraction. So the pressurized liquid extraction is also known as accelerated solvent extraction or high pressure solvent extraction. In this method, the extract solvent is kept at elevated temperature and pressure to increase the extraction efficiency. On high pressure, it causes a solvent to remain liquefied above boiling point and allows solvent penetrate above the sample matrix. High temperature can disrupt the strong solute matrix interaction and decrease the viscosity of the solvent, allowing and poor uh, penetration of matrix and thus improved extraction. So what is the working of pressurized liquid extraction is, this is the basic diagram of pressurized liquid extraction. So A, first is solvent supply, A, that is A, next pump B, next C, purging valve on the right hand side, D, that is extraction cell, E, that is furnace, F, that is wall, G, that is collecting vial, I, that is inert gas supply like nitrogen, argon, etc. Steps involved in the pressurized liquid extraction. So the sample is loaded into stainless steel extraction cell D, that is in the middle of A and I. Next, solvent is pumped through solvent vial A and bound to a specified temperature and pressure at high temperature and high pressure to permit the solubilization of phytoconstituent into these solvent. Next step, the extract form is pushed into the extraction pushed into the collection vial, that is G, by pouring it with an inert gas flow like nitrogen, argon from I using valve C. Next, in order to avoid lump formation while handling moist material, we use Kesselgut powder for avoid lung formation. So the example by which the extraction of drug is possible, that is like cinnamaldehyde from cinnamon, cassia, polyphenol from fruits, and flavonoids from flowers. We can obtain from polypressurized liquid extraction process. So here we will discuss about the basic idea of the isolation. What is the phytochemistry? What is extraction? Extraction is a process of physical separation of the phytoconstituent. And then what is the isolation of active constituent, from we can isolate the active constituent from the plant product. So here is the basic diagrammatic representation or flow chart of the isolation of active constituent from the natural product. That is, after homogenization with methanol and water, we can we can filter it off and mark. So a solid and filtered filtrate is obtained. So mark is also known as the solid. A solid that is obtained from after the filtration of the plant phytoconstituent. So the solid product to solid residue is known as mark, and other filtrate is concentrated separately. Mark is extracted with ethyl acetate, whereas the filtrate is concentrated under vacuum and acidified and extracted with chloroform. Next, further the mark have two things, that is residue and filtrate. So residue contain polysaccharide and the filtrate contain evaporation and neutralization of extract. So the concentrated filtrate upon extraction with the chloroform, it will further the two layer obtain. We will obtain two layer like chloroform extract and acid layer. So the chloroform extract contain terpenoids, glycoside and phenolic compounds, and acid layer contain chloroform. Then chloroform acid layer can extracted with again with methanol and chloroform, and there is two layer, chloroform methanol and also a basic aqueous layer. So chloroform methanol contain alkaloids, whereas basic extract layer contain quaternary alkaloids. So there is a modern method of extraction, that is pressurized liquid extraction technique, that is also known as PLE, or the accelerated solvent extraction or high pressure solvent extraction technique. So this is the basic diagram of PLE, that is solvent supply A, pump B, purging valve C, extraction cell D, E furnace, G E collecting valve, H I is the inert gas supplier, and C is the valve, purging valve. So the steps involved in: first the sample is loaded into the stainless steel extraction cell D, that is in middle of A and I. After that, solvent is pumped through solvent vial A and about to a specified temperature and pressure at high temperature and pressure to permit the solubilization of phytoconstituent into these solvent. After that, the extract formed is pushed into the collection vial by purging with an inert gas flow like argon and nitrogen from I in nitrogen cell I using valve C. In order to avoid any lump formation while handling moist material, we can use Kesselgor for avoiding the lump formation. So we can extract number of drugs like cinnamaldehyde from the cinnamon cassia, polyphenol from the fruits, and flavonoids from the flowers. Thank you.